Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me and a Halloween fireplace decorating video. I hope you guys enjoy it and maybe you get some ideas. So I'm just starting by removing everything off of my mantle and my fireplace.
Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard.
And then I'm just vacuuming the area. I'm using my Dyson and I love my Dyson so much. I'll be sure to link it down below. It's a little bit pricey, but you guys, it is so worth it. I love this thing. You can see I was vacuuming with it. And now I'm just using it as like a little hand tool, vacuuming all of the dirt and dust off of my fireplace. And this thing is just so stinking handy. I love it so much. It is kind of pricey, but if it broke tomorrow, I would definitely go out and buy a new one just because I am in love with it. I'm also just kind of wiping down my fireplace and my mantle. It's been a while since I've done this, and I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. This stuff is my absolute favorite. It's in the lavender scent, and I'll be sure to link that down below. Also, I got it from Prove Collaborative. I also have these calendar blocks. I'm really bad about changing it daily because who has time for that? But I always try to change it to like the next major date. So in this case, it was October 31st, but Halloween, you guys, has got to be one of my absolute favorite holidays. There's something about the colors of Halloween and everything that I just really, really love. If it was Halloween all year round, I would be perfectly fine with it. So when it comes to buying a lot of Halloween decor, I just can't help myself when I go to the store and I see it. I just have to have it. I probably will be overloading my house this year. So far, I've only decorated my front porch and now my fireplace and mantle, but I'm definitely going to be filming some more videos on some more areas that I'm going to be decorating. Speaking of more videos, if you haven't watched my front porch decorating video, go and check that out. I think it turned out really cute. You can see this black and white buffalo check blanket. That's right, I said blanket. It's not actually a rug, but I bought it off of Amazon for a really great price, and it is literally the same exact texture and weight as those little mats that they sell. So yeah, I'll link that down below, and I just folded it in half. I think it turned out really great.
I can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
I can wait even if it's hard to